Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, sorry, I know we don't got the best lighting. It's actually probably making me look, it just has like shadows under my eyes, so I probably look super tired right now. But what the topic of this video is, still gonna try and keep it good energy here. We're gonna be getting into the Supreme and Nike SB Dunk Low RAMELLZEE, which is coming very, very soon. As you guys may or may not know, RAMELLZEE is a New York rap artist and also a visual artist, so he does a lot of stuff in the artwork space, or did a lot of stuff in the artwork space. I do not believe he's alive anymore. He passed away, I think it was in like 2010, but a lot of his work is pretty prominent, at least in New York, so a lot of my people that are from there might know who he is, or maybe have seen his work. So let's just kind of get into it. We'll get into those details in this video, and again, discussing this SB Dunk Low. So if y'all want more content like this, you can check my Instagrams down below. I sometimes post there, like asking for like certain pairs, my story, things like that. And of course, my friend and I's group, if y'all are trying to become a better reseller this year, that is what we can help you with. You can see we got a new logo here, and again, everything that is offered in the group: undermarket sneaker deals, free Chipotle codes, one-on-one bot support if you want to learn how to do that, profitable clothing backdoors, and so many other things. So don't miss out, guys. I hope to see you all there, and you can see some reviews as well. People doing 1K sales within being in the group for 3 days. We're doing a lot of the daily deal giveaways. Like, those are very often, so we're always making sure to do that frequently. And yeah, we're always trying to put in work to keep you guys cooking, so don't miss out. You can see everything offered and get on that wait list there, and you can see the different plans offered. So hope to see you guys there. Don't miss out and become a better reseller this year and start learning how to cook. But that's it, and let's get into it. And we'll also have free ACO for these SBs whenever they drop on Supreme. We're going to be making sure our members cook. But first things first, as you guys can see, there's 2 pairs of these that are going to be dropping. It is going to be a Dunk High and a Dunk Low. I've heard a lot of people that are like, hey, I'm feeling the Dunk High a little bit more, which I kind of understand that. I mean, it's really a really good choice of, colorway for the sneaker. Like, the whole design that they used, I'm glad they put it on kind of like this white. It looks like a canvas material. I can't really tell from this photo, but you can see maybe what I'm saying is just like the choice, that they used for the sneaker, I think was really good. And it's also a nice touch with the world famous tag. They're always doing that with, Supreme SBs. It's been something we've had for a while. And then also we have the Dunk Low, of course. This is the one that is going to be going for more. It's going to be the one that people are going to be looking at more, just because, again, how hyped SB Dunk Lows are. And also, this one's going to be going for some serious cash. I mean, right now there isn't any pairs for sale on StockX. If you look on StockX, look, none. No asks. I mean, we have a bid for $450, so someone willing to pay $450 for the pair right now. So that just shows you how valuable this sneaker is at the moment. So definitely going to be a very hard one to cop. You can see it's, again, all on this kind of canvas material, which means that, yeah, this is definitely canvas, kind of, what we have underneath. And this looks like a suede, kind of like a suede toe box. But again, I would need to get this one in hand to see. That's what it is on this. It's kind of where I was getting that from. So very, very nice details on both. For anybody that is interested in kind of getting sneakers to hold on to them, you think of it maybe as like a collectible, this is going to be one of those pairs that over time 100% is going to go up in price. Of course, it may take a little bit longer, but it's one of those ones where a couple years from now or a couple years after the drop, people are going to look back on this one and be like, man, I forgot about these. This is a really cool pair. And there's definitely going to be some people that are going to be willing to pay up across different apps, or there's just not going to be as many of these selling down that, at that point. So hopefully that makes sense. But for the rumored drop date, these are again rumored to be set, both dropping at the same time. They're not going to be dropping separately. It'd be on the same day on the Supreme site, 11 a.m. Eastern time, typical stuff. We probably would know about it the Monday, like how Supreme drops have been, for a while. You know about it on Monday when they post the photos on their Instagram, and then it's usually Thursday, 11 a.m. Eastern time. So that's what I would expect to happen for this release. It wouldn't, just kind of like load up like shock type of style. That's not what they normally do, but it's going to be a very, very popular one. You're going to have a ton of people botting this drop. Of course, that's something we could teach you, but don't forget Supreme is also now Shopify, and also on their app they have Apple Pay, so very good for my manual users. So for some of the sizes that might be a little bit more in stock, like 9, 10, potentially might be able to manual, Apple Pay. So, make sure you have that set up, because you might be able to cop a pair doing that. But there's a few different ways you're going to be able to get this one: Shop Pay, Apple Pay, botting Shopify, since there is a lot of ways to do that. And this is going to be one of those releases that's heavily going to be it's going to be botted heavily. I mean, there's no doubt. I mean, Supreme has been botted forever, and whenever there's a profit opportunity with it, that's just how it goes. But let me know which one you guys are feeling more. To be honest, for the collection, I probably would go with the Dunk Highs, but again, if I was looking to resell a pair, I would be going for the Dunk Lows. But obviously go for both. I don't feel like these are gonna brick, and even if they do, just wait a couple months. Like, it's one of those ones that's definitely a little bit of a sleeper, so if it like doesn't go for a lot at first, that's fine. Just be patient, hold them. Like, it's a really, really nicely done pair of SBs, and over time, I mean, it's gonna perform extremely well. I mean, look at that. This is a really good in-hand photo, but you guys, I mean, you see, I mean, this would be just, it's not too hard to style, but there's like a lot to the sneaker. That's kind of what's cool about it. But resale prediction for these, I've heard $140 retail on the Dunk High, and on the Dunk Low, I've heard $130. So again, these would probably float around $200 to $250. Bigger size is probably a little bit more. I'd be shocked if I saw these ones under $200. These ones, it would make more sense if they were under $200. Like if these were, you know, kind of like a range of $160, $200, that would make more sense to me. I don't, like, I see the smaller sizes kind of getting a little bit closer to retail, like 8, 8.5. Maybe a size 7, like ones that you normally don't sell for a lot of Dunk Highs. But the bigger sizes, like 11.5, you know, the popular is selling big ones, 13. Those might be going for a little bit more with this one, because usually Supreme doesn't produce as many of the bigger sizes. I mean, that's just how it's been always with the clothing. I'm assuming it'd be, you know, pretty similar for the sneakers, but we'll see, because it is Nike that's going to be producing the shoes, not Supreme. You know, it is going to have, you know, Supreme's brand name and all that on it, but it's Nike producing the shoes. So 13 is usually a pretty, you know, stocked size, if that makes sense. So just think about the ones that normally sell for more, and like any SB Dunk Low, just go look, you know, for that info. Just look at some past SB Dunk Low releases and see which sizes normally go for more. And that's, you know, exactly what I do for this release, because it's going to be Nike producing the stock, not Supreme. Supreme is just going to be dropping it because it has their brand name on it, and you know, it's the whole collaboration with RAMELLZEE, which again, New York artist. I just pulled it up on Google to keep it like really simple for people. You guys can see he's no longer with us though, but you know, he's done a lot. He has some really, really cool work. You can see visual artist. He has some music as well. Where was that? Here you go. So like he has some songs, but there's a lot of work that he's done. It seems like he was very, very active in this space, you know, in the 80s and 90s, like, you know, in terms of like visual art and like music. It seems like he was very, very active while he was here in those spaces. So he definitely, I'm sure, played a large influence. And here he is right here. So yeah, he definitely, you know, has made a big step in those spaces. Again, I'm not too familiar with them, so I'm not gonna like speak on them too much, but that is who we have the collaboration with here. And very, very unique pair here. I'm trying to see if I can see any influence from right here, not from like right here, but from his artwork on the sneaker. But I can definitely tell, like, with this whole like unique design, and his work is like pretty like, I guess you could say like pretty vibrant, like you really notice it. So kind of the same vibe we have on the shoe, like you notice it. It really stands out. And also rumored, I saw this across Twitter, a couple other Instagram pages, after the RAMELLZEE Dunk Low, it's rumored that we will be having kind of like a cement theme, you know, Supreme Dunk Low. But again, I'm not gonna say that this is happening, and I'm not gonna, you know, really you know, fall for any of the rumors right now. But you know, again, keep it on your radar. A possibility we could be seeing something like this, a Supreme Dunk Low, and like like colorways like this coming soon. But again, I would want to wait for pictures, like actual, you know, produced pairs in stock, you know, actually see you know, it, and kind of know it's actually happening, or see like a, you know, concept of it. It's something more realistic than this right here, because this doesn't really tell us anything. It just, you know, could be someone posting up anything on Twitter, and you know how that is. You see a lot of random things. So that's pretty much everything I need to mention there about this upcoming collaboration at the start of July, rumored for I think around July 1st. And of course, we'll have more information in this you know, on the sneaker and HYPELABS. We, you know, want to make sure everybody is always cooking, learning how to source more sneakers, getting free food codes, online loops for cash, like, you know, gift cards, things like that. So don't miss out on that. There's a lot of opportunity there. So I hope to see you guys on that wait list, and don't miss out. You can see everything offered here, and of course our reviews as well. So y'all know we're legit, and some people that even just joined already getting back a good return. So I like seeing that, you know, when new people are making a return on their investments, and that's always what we're here to help do. And you know, we're always working hard to make sure you guys are getting the best. So don't miss out. Join that wait list, and I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing. Let me know what you guys think about the new logo. We also got that going on. So that's it. And yeah, hope to see you all there. You can check us out, and feel free to drop a like and subscribe down below. We're trying to 200 likes on this video. I don't even think I asked at the start of this video, but if y'all could do that for me, that'd mean a lot. So I really appreciate it. Goes further than you know. So I'm gonna end this screen recording. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. Are you gonna be copping this pair when it's coming up? And don't miss out. We got you down below, so hope to see y'all there. And I mean, I feel like this is a must cop for a lot of my like big collectors. So don't miss out. I'll see y'all in the next one though. Peace.